The University of Buffalo's classroom technology standard I will put up against anyone else's because it is tried and true. It is based on a standard that we have developed over the course of the last 15 years, and it works.
Classroom capture has really become ubiquitous on campus. It's in all of our central classrooms now. One of the reasons lecture capture is important is because we have a lot of students on campus who need accommodations for one reason or another. They need recordings, or they need captions, or they need to be able to re-listen and review content.
Our pain point with using PC capture is that is a PC that has to be managed by a staff person.
So what pushed us to go with Pearl Nexus is we needed a more efficient way to manage all of the devices. Since we've grown this service to well over 150 classrooms, managing all of those devices, re-imaging those devices every year, and then reconfiguring, that takes up a lot of time.
My goal is to reduce our technology stack to as few devices as possible. With Pearl Nexus, we're able to eliminate 4 to 5 additional devices and replace them all with one.
Deploying Pearl was way easier than any capture appliance that we've probably deployed in the past. We used to have to use 3 people over a course of handing it over from one person to the next to the next. With Pearl Nexus, I put rack ears on the thing, I registered the thing on the network, we got it into Epiphan Cloud, and I got to tell my capture team that it was installed. It was a huge difference.
So when we look at our help desk, we have not got any tickets yet for our Pearl Nexus devices.
I mean, that's a difference, you know? Everything has gone off without a hitch. We haven't missed a single recording, and now we have more time to innovate and take on new projects. We're always looking to do the new and exciting thing.
We're looking to even use AI in the classroom support systems, which is why we're excited about the new Epiphan camera. We can use it in the future to capture data from the room. How many people are in the room? Are they in the right room for the purpose of what's going on in the room? So we see the ability to utilize what's captured by Nexus, what's captured by the Epiphan camera, to go through that data and turn it into something useful, not just for instruction, but for administration. We're very excited about the future here at the University of Buffalo, and Epiphan is playing a critical role in that.